a sound check on this German-made flute, which, although made in Germany, was for export to America, and from America, then it travelled to Ireland for playing traditional Irish music. We'll just do the scale. So low D, low E is dead sound. Made around 1900, originally a 12-keyed flute, now 9. It had a low C key at one point. Obviously was used in an orchestra, but as wooden flutes were replaced by metal flutes. These flutes were picked up by Irish musicians playing trad music because the fingering on these Nach Mayer flutes is so similar to the Irish tin whistle. And that's why you see a lot of these kind of flutes in traditional Irish music.